Hello, I'm Tim Weir with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today I'm going to show you a 2025 Isuzu NPR HD Crew Cab Gas with an open body landscape. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to make sure you get all updates on our current inventory. Let's get at it. First thing you'll notice about this truck is its iconic Isuzu low cab forward design. What that gives you is great visibility and maneuverability and safety for your crew. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside as well. Like I said, this is the crew cab, so you have seating for 4 in the back. And seating for 3 in the front. You'll notice the bench seating with the fold down middle seat, which is great for doing any kind of paperwork while you're out there on the job. It comes standard with automatic windows, locks. This has the automatic and remote side mirrors. We actually did the upgraded 7-inch touchscreen with backup camera. It also has Apple CarPlay, cup holders, all your standard creature features that you might need while you're out there on the job. Let's take a look at the body. Before we get into the body, I want to point out one safety feature that we do. We actually put the catalytic converter cage on all of our gas units to help with anti-theft. This is a Wil-Ro 19-foot open landscape body. It is painted green. It is equipped with fold-down sides, a storage bin on top, your shovel and rake storage bin on the driver's side. This side has a storage bin for your water cooler. Also, you have a 36-inch lockable toolbox on the passenger side. We actually can do full upgrades, customizations of this body as well. So if you want another toolbox on the driver's side, if you need it painted, you decaled, any of that good stuff, we have a full body shop. We can do all those customizations here in-house. Also, you have this 3-rack weed eater rack right here on the side that is adjustable and lockable as well. The split dovetail ramp, as I mentioned, this is 19 feet overall. That's a 14-foot flat with a 5-foot taper. The dovetail and the taper is fully tractioned. And on the inside, you do have 4, 2 in the back, 2 in the front, D-rings to strap your equipment down. As I mentioned, be sure to like this video, subscribe, so you get all of our updates. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you.